Hey, what's up guys? Happy Sunday. In today's video, I will be talking about 5 things I wish I knew before starting my fitness journey that I think might help you guys too. Now, when I started my fitness journey, I didn't know much about these things, and now when I think about it, I wish there was someone back then to tell me, whoa, stop. This is not how you do this, Ritika. So if you are a beginner, make sure you watch this video till the end because I feel these tips are going to be super useful for you. Hey, this is Ritika and welcome to my channel Life with Coach Ritika. If you are new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button for more health and fitness content and the bell icon so that every time I upload a video, you get a notification. Alright guys, let's go ahead and jump straight into the video. Number 1, fitness is not a quick fix, it is a lifestyle change. And I cannot stress this one enough because when I started working out, I used to do it only to get a tiny waist so that I can fit into my crop top and look hot. And I'm not even joking guys. And because I wanted results ASAP, I used to eat only vegetables, salad or chicken breast. And I used to completely cut off, the carbs from my diet. And I would only last for like 10 days and then I would binge eat all sorts of crap for like 2 days, and then I used to tell myself, Ritika, that is it. Next week you're going to eat clean, you're going to work out even more harder so that you burn those extra calories. But I could never do that. It was like a cycle. I would go on a diet, eat clean for like 7 days to 10 days, and then I used to like eat crap for like 2 days, then again, like you understand what I mean, right? So guys, what I'm trying to tell you is that if the purpose of your working out is only vanity purpose, then your motivation is eventually going to run out. And I know this because it happened to me. Number 2, not everyone is going to support you guys, and it's okay. So when I finally decided to live a healthy lifestyle, I just assumed that people who know me or people who are close to me will just join me in my journey, but that did not happen and I was wrong. Of course, your friends and your family love you and they are going to support you no matter what, but if you think that they are going to change their habits for you, that's not gonna happen. For example, if you're living with a roommate and you decide that you are going to live a healthy lifestyle and you're going to stop eating junk, you cannot expect your roommate to do the same. And I kind of assumed that my roommate back then will just quit all the junk and eat clean with me, but that did not happen. My fridge was always stocked with pastries and I had to literally fight through all the temptations. Also guys, once you start eating clean and start to look a little bit different than what you were before, people are going to have opinions about you. And that's okay. That shouldn't matter to you because you are doing this to yourself, and what others say shouldn't matter. I'm telling you this because when I started working out and started taking fitness seriously, I gained a bit of muscle and there were all sorts of comments that I look like a man, you look muscular, you don't look like a girl anymore. And at that time I felt really bad, but right now I just don't give a damn about what people are saying about how I look. So that's how you should be starting your fitness journey. If people are commenting on you, let them comment. That's completely fine. You are doing this for yourself. All these things shouldn't matter. Number 3, motivation is going to come and it is also going to run out of the window. It is a fact, you cannot deny it. But the most important thing is that you are creating healthy habits every single day during your healthy lifestyle journey so that when motivation does fade, you still work out, eat clean, meal prep, even when you have no motivation at all. Please do not use lack of motivation as an excuse. You gotta push through it. Number 4, there is more than one way to live a healthy lifestyle. So when I started my fitness journey, I thought running on the treadmill was the only way I could get fit as a girl, and that's what I did. But I was never a big fan of running, and that is the only reason I never stuck to it. There are so many workout options available: CrossFit, Zumba, functional training, Pilates, yoga, boxing. The possibilities are endless guys. So you need to find out the one thing which you love doing so that you can stick to it. When I found CrossFit, I realized that I loved it, and that is the main reason I'm still doing CrossFit, and in fact I changed my career and became a CrossFit trainer. And the same goes for diet as well, guys. There are so many options available like paleo, keto, intermittent fasting, plant-based, and so many more, but you gotta find the one that works best for you, because what works for me might not work for you. For example, if you see me do CrossFit and you think, oh, now I have to go and do CrossFit to get fit, I just want to tell you, no, you don't need to if you don't want to. See for yourself and experiment with different things to know what you love and what works best for you, and it's definitely going to be easy to stick to it. Number 5, it's okay to miss a workout. Now, there will be times in your fitness journey when your body will be like, nah, I'm not gonna move at all today, and you will know whether that's laziness or the fact that your body hasn't recovered from your previous training session. So if your body hasn't recovered, then I would suggest you to take a break. Trust me, your progress won't stop if you do so. And the second thing is, sometimes it's going to happen, you're going to be super busy with something else and you won't find time to work out, and that's completely okay. Don't beat yourself up, guys. I used to do that, and that is the reason I'm telling you, your progress won't stop if you do so. So guys, I just shared the 5 things I wish I knew when I started my fitness journey, but I also have a bonus for you which I wish I knew back then, and that is, do not compare your fitness journey or your progress with someone else's. Every single person is different and has their own challenges, so please focus on yourself and stop comparing. I'm telling you this because I was someone who used to constantly compare to other people, and it just made me unhappy. Until I realized that I keep comparing myself to other people, I'm never going to be content and satisfied with my own progress. So don't do it, guys. Just keep doing the hard work and you're going to definitely see results. Alright guys, this is the end of the video. If you liked it, make sure you hit that like button, and if you have any questions, comment below and I'm definitely going to get back to you. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more health and fitness content and the bell icon, so that every Sunday when I upload a video, you get notifications. We'll be back next Sunday.